Video I will show you how to insert diagonal downward right arrow in Word document. For this you need to click on insert and click on the shapes, and in the block arrows you need to select the downward arrow, and now drag the mouse and insert on the Word document. And from the rotate handle you need to rotate it from the left side to make it diagonal position. And from this orange dot you can increase the arrow, and from this orange dot you can increase or decrease the width like this one. So go to the shape format and you can change the shape styles, and here you can use any shapes like this one. If you want to use the outline, then go to the shape outline and click the color of your choice, for example below, and here it is. So there is another way. You need to click on insert and click on the equation on the right side, click on insert new equations. An equation editor box will be open up, and in the symbols groups you need to click on this arrow and click on this arrow and select the arrows, and here you need to find it, and here it is. You can just press it and you will insert it, and here it is. Another way is that click on insert, click on the equation, click on the insert new equation, and now put the backslash, type SEARRO SE arrow and hit the space bar. It will instantly put the diagonal downward right arrow. Moreover, there is another way. Click on insert, click on the symbols, click on the more symbols, and in the font section you need to select the normal text, and in the subset you need to select the arrows, and here you need to find it, and here it is. You can just select it, click insert and close it. There is another way. You need to type 2198 and press the Alt+X all together to make it convert diagonal downward right arrow in Word. There is another way. You need to hold down the Alt key and on the numeric side keypad press 8600 and release the Alt key, and here it is. Moreover, there is another way. You need to press the window key and semicolon key all together, then emoji panel will be open up. So in the search bar click on that and type arrow, and here you need to find it, and here it is. You need to click on that and click OK. So with these methods you can easily insert diagonal downward right arrow in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.